Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech and everyday tasks super simple. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to convert a passport photo to digital in 2025. Whether you're updating your documents for travel, job applications, or just going digital, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, why bother converting that old passport photo? In 2025, most services are online, so having a digital version saves you time and hassle. Plus, it's easy and doesn't require fancy equipment. All you need is your physical photo, a smartphone or scanner, and a free editing app. Step 1. Prepare your photo. Make sure it's clean, undamaged, and meets the standard passport requirements, like a plain background and the right size. If it's wrinkled, gently iron it or use a photo editing app later to fix it. Next, scan or photograph it. If you have a scanner, place the photo on the glass and scan it at a high resolution, like 300 dpi, to keep it crisp. No scanner? No problem. Use your smartphone's camera app or a dedicated scanning app like Adobe Scan or Google Drive. Just position your phone directly above the photo in good lighting for a clear shot. Once you have the digital image, head to step 3, edit it. Open the image in a free tool like Canva, GIMP, or even the Photos app on your phone. Crop it to the exact passport size, usually 2 by 2 inches or 600 by 600 pixels, and adjust the brightness or contrast if needed. Remember, for 2025 standards, ensure the file is in JPEG or PNG format and under 1 megabyte. Finally, save and test it. Save your file to a secure folder on your device or cloud storage like Google Photos. Double-check by uploading it to a passport application site to make sure it meets all requirements. There you go. That's how you convert your passport photo to digital in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay digital savvy, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.